The left and right functions are extremely useful in extracting information out of a cell. So let's understand how the left function works. So here I have an employee ID column with a bunch of IDs. And if you notice, the employee ID, the correct employee ID, which as you can see is 5 characters long, is facing the left of the cell in all the 3 cells. And we have some junk characters after each of the employee IDs. So two things are very clear to us. That is, the employee ID is aligned to the left, the correct employee ID. And then the number of characters in the employee ID is also clearly defined. So we know that the employee ID is 5 characters long. So what we will do here is we will start with the left function, and the 2 parameters that it asks here is the text from where we want to extract the information and the number of characters that we want to extract. So here I will extract it from cell B3, and the number of characters is 5 because I know my employee ID is 5 characters long. Perfect, there you go. So I was able to extract the employee ID pretty easily, right? So the same logic applies for the right function as well. So in this particular case, the employee IDs are exactly the same, but the correct employee IDs are aligned to the right of the cell, right? And then I have a bunch of junk characters aligned to the left, right? So what I'll do is I'll select right, and then the parameters here are the same. So I select the text, which in this case is B9, and the number of characters is 5 because I know my employee ID is 5 characters long. So what it does, from the right of the cell, it will pick 5 characters. It is going to extract 5 characters for us. There you go. Now if I drag down the formula, I get exactly what I was looking for.